In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up ERPNext using FrappyCloud. Whether you're an ERPNext enthusiast, maintaining company data, or a beginner just getting started, understanding how to create backups is essential to safeguarding your valuable information. Let's take a step-by-step approach to ensure that your data remains secure and easily recoverable. First, you'll want to log into your FrappyCloud dashboard. This is your central hub for managing different aspects of your ERPNext site. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure to have your device handy to complete the login process. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it centralizes all tools you'll need for site management. After logging in, your attention should shift to the Sites section of your dashboard. Navigate through by selecting Sites, and then choose the site for which you intend to create a backup. This is important because each site may have unique configurations and data that require backup. You'll see an overview of your site, and here's where you'll want to look for the Backups tab, which is typically easy to spot. Once you've opened the Backups tab, you should find options related to scheduling and managing your backups. Click on the Schedule Backup button. This action will trigger an immediate job in the background to prepare a backup of your current site data. It's a straightforward process, and although it might seem like a simple button click, understanding what happens next is crucial for anyone managing web services. After clicking, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that a background job has been initiated. This means the system is working in the background to complete your backup, capturing all your site's data including configurations, user data, and custom settings. Remember, this can take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of your site. It's an ideal time to do a quick check of your storage quotas to ensure there's enough space for the new backup. While the process is automatic, you should verify the completion of your backup once the background job finishes. Return to the Backups tab and look for the latest backup files listed. It's always beneficial to periodically download these files locally, or store them on a secure external drive, providing an additional layer of safety. Maintaining regular backups is a best practice and adds peace of mind, knowing that you have a recovery plan in place if something unforeseen happens. Whether you choose weekly, daily, or even bi-hourly backups, make it a consistent part of your maintenance routine. Knowing how to efficiently execute this process boosts your assurance that your ERPNext data is sound. Thank you for watching this guide on backing up ERPNext on FrappyCloud. By following these steps, you can help ensure the longevity and safety of your data. Stay tuned for more tutorials that can help optimize your use of ERPNext and FrappyCloud.